The 2008 BMW 328i. Powered by a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this rear-wheel drive coupe, with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 27 miles per gallon. This BMW features moonroof, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, and leather seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.